Hello, good day everybody. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you are going to um download your Trust Wallet and also set it up. All right. What you're seeing right now is my screen. Is my actually my phone screen. Okay. So it's just to actually show you how you can you'll be able to download Trust Wallet and set it up as well. Okay, and that allows you to you're owning your own bank. All right. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be moving your token. Let's say your Bitcoin, for example. Say you bought some Bitcoin on River, you can move it from there to Trust Wallet. Your Trust Wallet is like your own personal bank. All right. Okay. Let's move on. So what you're going to be doing, the first thing you would do, you go to, this is actually an Android phone, a small Android phone I got, I use by the side. If you have a an iPhone, just go to your where you can download your apps. All right. I think that should be your iStore. So you come here to your store looking for that app. So you search for what you're going to be doing. Search for Trust Wallet. As you can see, I'm searching for Trust Wallet right now. So you'll see that's what you're going to see. So the one you want to download is actually this one. This is your Trust Wallet, not this one. So this one you click on install. All right, I'm going to click on install my phone. All right, so it's installing right now. Okay, so you wait a little bit for it to get installed on your phone. Sorry, on your phone, as you can see on the display screen. All right, so it's almost done. So we're just gonna wait for a little bit to get okay. All right. So you click on open. All right. So that's your trust wallet right there. So what you want to do, you click on get started. This one right here, get started. Click on get started, and then you need to create a new wallet. Okay. If you have an existing wallet, that means you can import your. If that means you have your seed phrase, you can import it. If you have that, you click here. But I'm assuming that this is for people that don't have Trust Wallet before. So that means you want to click on create new wallet. All right. So I'm gonna do that. You click on create new wallet. Okay. So recommended the one I'll recommend is that you should use the one that says secret phrase. Okay, it's going to give you some seed phrase, some couple of words that you're going to write down. It's advisable that you do that. I'm going to click on create right about here. And then once I do that, so it's going to tell you backup secret phrase, protect your asset by backing up your secret phrase now. So it's better you back it up manually. That's what I advise. You want to get a book where you're gonna write it. Don't back it up on your computer or don't take a screenshot, all right? So you click on back up manually, this one right here. So back up manually. And then it's going to tell you this secret phrase is the master key to your wallet. So I'll be tapping. Trust Wallet does not keep a copy of your secret phrase. It's telling you saving this digital in plain text is not recommended. Like I mentioned earlier, don't put it on screenshots. Don't text files or email. Don't email it to yourself because you can be hacked. Write down your secret phrase and store it in a secure offline location. So this is what I'm going to advise. Have a book where you write it down. All right. So you're going to be saying, uh oh. Okay, I guess that's so the next thing you're going to be saying is actually 12 letter words. You see 1 2 3. If you're following me, that's what you're going to be saying. All right. So I went black because of that. So I'm back. Sorry about that. What happened is that um you're gonna the number you're gonna be copying down the words. There are 12 words you're going to write down. Like I mentioned, just get a book, you're going to write it on. So when you're done writing the words, the 12 words, then it will bring you to another page on your phone that is going to ask for part of those secret words that you've written down to confirm that you actually got the words, written down properly and in correct order. So you pick them, in the order that you have, written them down. Then afterwards, it's going to ask you that you put a password on your wallet. Okay. Then once you've done that, it's going to bring you here. So that's how you do that. I noticed that because of the sensitivity of although this is a new wallet, there's nothing in it. You can, even if you hack it, I don't know who might watch this video. All right, you won't see any money in there. It's a new wallet that I'm just setting up for this purpose. All right. So basically, that's how you do that. So right about there, you see it's going to tell you start using Trust Wallet. So I click that, and then allow TrustWallet to send you notification. If you don't want it to, if you want to allow it, you click on allow, or if you don't want, you click don't allow. All right. Then it's going to give you 100 points for having Trust multi-coin wallet, collect more Trust point daily with our quest feature. So it's going to give you 100 points. I'm going to claim that point. If I want to claim it, if I have anything, I'll click on this claim all. Okay. But I don't yet, I don't have anything else. Then you see different options. You just read up on this. All right. Then I can go back. If I want to go back to the main wallet, I'm just going to click here. I want to click here. All right. So that you can see that, since I don't have any money here. So if this is your first time and you don't know how to transfer coins, so for example, let's say you have some Bitcoin, say in your River account, what you can do is to click on BTC. Right about, I'm going to click that. Okay. And then if you want to receive, so you click on receive. All right. I'm going to click here on receive and then copy this wallet address. You're going to copy this wallet address. You click on copy and then take it to the website where you want to transfer the Bitcoin from. So that is it. So you go there, paste the wallet and do the transfer. And then you give it some time because it takes some time. Like you can see, it's good. Sometimes it tell you that it's going to take more. Sometimes it take more time than usual because of network congestion, as you can see over here. All right, so that is the simple way how you can move your money from an external wallet to your Trust Wallet. I hope this video helped you. All right, thank you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, click the link below and subscribe. All right, thank you. See you in the next video.